round 2 on the starter. It didn't work, so I gotta take it back apart. But I got this here. This is the electrical side rebuild kit. I'm gonna try that. And then I got this part that came out of it. It's bearing. I found it laying in the rubble after I got it all buttoned up. So between those two things, if they don't work, I'm gonna have to have Santa bring me a starter from Amazon. Santa Bezos, hopefully will bring it to me. Otherwise, I'm just gonna time lapse this. It's gonna take me 2 days or something. 2 days to take it apart, put it back together. I'm not really in a hurry. It's cold outside. My other bike runs. It's not like I'm gonna be going to Born Free this weekend, so I don't really care. I just kind of want to get it done, do it right, so I never have to open up that side of the motor ever again. Please, God. But otherwise, thanks for checking out my other videos I got. I'm trying to get those out into the metaverse, whatever the hell it's called. Go check those out, like and subscribe. Leave comments, make fun of everybody, make fun of me, ask me questions. I'll have some sort of answer. Pretty much been through it all with this bike. I'll have another video on this bike and all the parts and whatever else I went through with it.
Hear the most annoying sound in the world?
I think I know what my problem is. This is my problem. Something is missing. Something's not holding this out when it's supposed to. Very odd. I don't know why it's doing that. So it's just going out and spinning. It's not throwing this out. I'm guessing. I don't even know how these work, but that would be my assumption. I totally put this thing in together wrong. So I put this shaft in there with the spring on it, obviously. Goes in here, twirls around, does whatever it does. But then what I did was I put the spring in there with this cap on top, which was a no-no. Should have done it backwards. Because I think what this cap does is push the spring to push these fins out. So before it was just going back and forth and not using the spring action. The spring was just kind of compressed. That's my guess. I'm gonna put this thing back together and see what happens. Oh man, that's so much better. Before it was wiggling all around. I'm pretty sure that's the problem right there. The bearing on this side, all the new electronics on this side. My problem was this throw out. But before I put it in, this thing was jiggling all over the place. This part that spins out and connects. I asked people and they were like, no, it's cool, dude. Just run it, send it.
You gotta send it!
Well, it didn't send anywhere because it didn't work, so it's not very cool when you can't send it. Take it back out, figure it out, I'm a dumbass. Spring it in, I put it in there wrong. Now the spring actually works, this thing's tight. I don't know, I feel like somebody's been in this thing. Not just me 25 times. Let's put it back in. At this rate, I'll be able to ride it 20 minutes. I use this Type F transmission fluid. I don't really know if it's good or bad. I just think the regular oil I was using wasn't working. I was using just whatever I put in the oil bag. This stuff seemed to work a little better. All right, the starter saga is done. Still starts kind of a little bit sluggish, but that just might be carburetor. Never ride it. It's just been sitting on the lift for a few weeks. It starts. I've been ripping it around. Besides all the other neglect I've been neglecting to it, it rips. Here it is in all its glory. It's out here in the fields. Pretty nice looking day. It's starting to get cold, so I gotta get out of here. But yeah, here it is. Let's see if it starts. So, till the next one.